In this video, I will show you how to change your name on Facebook on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Facebook app on your iPhone. Now tap your profile icon located at the bottom right side. Now scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Now tap Settings. On Settings and Privacy page, just tap on Account Center. Now tap Profiles. Now here you need to choose the profile. So select the correct profile where you want to change the name. Now tap Name. And here you can change your first name, middle name and surname. So let's make the changes. Once you make the change, just tap on Review Change. Now it will show preview of your new name. If you are okay with the name changes, then tap on Save Changes. And as you can see, the name is updated successfully. Note that you can only change your name on Facebook every 60 days. So that is how you can change your name on Facebook on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.